How to create a picture collage on your CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily create a picture collage on your CapCut. As you guys know, CapCut is a really good photo and video editing app where you have different function which also includes creating a collage. So I'm going to show you how to exactly do that. First thing first, you just open up your CapCut. And now you can just choose your images from your gallery. So just tap on new project and select the images. You also have different options like photo editor, AutoCAD, product photos, and many more. So here you just have to select the pictures that you want to add on your collage. Now once you have imported your image, you just have to create an overlay and then shrink your picture. So you just have to zoom out a bit and select the overlay option and resize the picture. Once you do that, you can do the same by importing a new picture. So you can just tap on add overlay and import a new picture. So you can keep doing it until your collage is filled up. So once you have imported all of the images, you can resize them as you want and then create a collage. Now you can just simply export your picture and you're good to go. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you next time.